Hi everyone, and welcome to PRICOM. My name is Stephanie, and today we are going to learn how to find the IP address of our layout lighting solution using the log file on your SD card. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is hook up the power and Ethernet connections to your layout lighting mainboard using the mainboard's Ethernet jack and power input terminal strip. Once you're connected to your network, insert your SD card into the SD card slot and apply power to the board. Full power up can take anywhere between 15 and 30 seconds. The status LEDs in the bottom corner of your board will blink in sequence, and the LEDs on your Ethernet jack will flash as the board is obtaining the IP address from your network. Once the LEDs have finished their sequence, remove power from your board and pull out your SD card. Insert the SD card into your desktop or laptop computer and wait for the disk content information to pop up on your screen. If you're using your board's included SD card, your SD card root folder should look like this. You should have a firmware folder, an HTML folder, the layout lighting log file, release notes, and a README text file. For this video, we need to open our layout lighting log file to find our board's IP address. Double-click on the file to open it, and then scroll down to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you will see a series of information. At the top, we have our firmware revision number and the release date. Next, we have our SD card format information, followed by our scene and sequence data. You'll notice right now both of these sections say not found. That's because we don't currently have any scene or sequence data saved to this SD card. The last line is the line we need to find our IP address. If your board successfully connected to your network, this line should say HTTP server started and listening on, followed by a number. This number is your layout lighting board's IP address. In this case, my IP address is 10.10.10.144. Keep in mind your number might change over time. Once you have your number, exit out of your log file, close your folder, and eject your SD card. Reinsert the card into your layout lighting main board and apply power to the board. Your board's LEDs should flash like they did before. Going back to your computer, open up a web browser. We recommend using Google Chrome. Type in your IP address and press enter. This should bring up the layout lighting homepage. If the page doesn't load, make sure your board is connected to your network and that power is properly supplied to the board. This can be verified by the LEDs on your layout lighting main board. Congratulations! You are now connected to your layout lighting solution and are ready to start programming your presets, scenes, and sequences. In our next video, we'll take a look at how to navigate the layout lighting web editor. Thanks for watching.